This is Todd. We're back in the JCR Off-Road Garage. Today, we're going to be installing our Gladiator rear fenders. The first step is removing your stock inner and outer fenders. Now, the inner fender does not work with our fenders, so if you're not installing one of our inner fender kits, you can go ahead and paint the inside or just leave it body color if you wish. Now, the way we recommend is to go ahead and separate the inner and the outer fender. You can start with, there are these plastic rivets along the outside edge. And if you have a trim tool or some sort of pry tool, these trim tools with the U in them work really well for popping these rivets. Once you have the outside rivets popped off, there are some clips on the inside. There's one on the front and back. There's one back here, and then there's two up into the body. You need to go ahead and pop those out also. So the last step in removing this inner fender is removing these three 8mm bolts. Once you have those out, go ahead and just pull your inner liner out of the vehicle. Once you have the inner liner out, go ahead and pop these clips out that go around the entire fender. We recommend using a tool of some sort to go ahead and pop these out versus just trying to pry them to make sure and save the body just in case you don't bend it up as you're ripping things out. Sometimes you get lucky and when you pop one, you can pop a couple of them. And once you pop that last one loose, the fender just comes clean off. Now, if you're just mocking up your fenders for the first time, go ahead and cover your body with some painter's tape to ensure you don't scratch the paint as you're trial fitting them. As you're putting the fenders up in, it's important to take your time to avoid damage to your paint on the vehicle. But go ahead and take one of the button heads and aim for this center bolt. Carefully set it in. Start the nut on the back side, and that allows the fender to hang as you start the rest of the bolts. Once you've got them all installed loosely, go ahead and tighten them up. You're going to use a 3/16 Allen in the button head to get it done. Once you've tightened up all of the bolts, you're done. If you have any questions on this or any of the other products JCR offers, don't hesitate to give us a call at 269-353-1184 or shoot us an email at info@jcroffroad.com. And remember, keep it rubber side down.